Now, we need to take this off. We'll take it off later. Alright. Oh yeah. This right here. I've been waiting to open this all day. I was like, dang, I want to open it on stream. And I was like, nah. I want to do it before bed. Let's fucking go! Wait, I'm missing a book. No, this isn't funny. Whoa, I'm missing a book. I'm missing a book. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness, though. Let's fucking go, chat. So, whoa. Wait, volume 1, volume 2. Wait. Oh, chapter 2. We finally got Peak. We're finna fucking, what is it? I'm gonna start my manga collection. And also, I got Konosuba. Nigga, I am literally missing the first one. Hold on, let me check what's in here, bro. Oh, my third one was in there. Okay. So, we got ReZero, RePico. Fucking love this anime. And the, what is it? The manga's pretty good too. Bro, I have been waiting to start my manga collection, and I feel like starting it off with my two favorite isekais is the best way to literally do it. And we also have Konosuba. And we just got the Aqua what's the name yesterday, so look, it's looking good. Oh my goodness. Yes, bro. This is beautiful. Yes, bro. Look at this. Oh my fucking peak. I cannot wait to read these. So yeah, we got ReZero and Konosuba. Damn, bro. that makes me happy because the first two people I ever cosplayed were Subaru and Kazuma.
What do you desire?